Are the Huawei P40 Pro good? Huawei has released the P40 Pro in one configuration, which includes 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, along with 5 different finishes: silver frost, ice white, deep sea blue, blush gold, and black. As for the Huawei P40 Pro price, you need to prepare to shell out £899, $1,599 Australian dollars, about $1,100. Huawei's P40 Pro is the best looking phone that the company has ever released. It feels premium in the hand, and it uses similar materials to other smartphones in its price range. The P40 Pro has what Huawei calls a quad curve overflow display, which is curved glass along all 4 edges. We've seen a few phones using curved glass. While the phone's display itself curves at the edges, it is not curved at the top or bottom of the phone, where it is only the glass on top that is curved. This gives the handset a unique feel, but does not significantly alter the appearance of its screen. The Huawei P40 Pro has a 6.58-inch display with a resolution of 1200 by 2640, which isn't quite Quad HD, but equates to a pixel density of 441p, which is lower than some of the other current flagships from other manufacturers. The screen is bright, large and beautifully designed. Huawei has also increased the maximum refresh rate of the screen to 90 Hz, which is faster than the 60 Hz of its previous models. One of the most intriguing colors is Silver Frost, which is a satin finish. The colors flit between light silver and dark gray depending on where the light hits the phone. On the right side of the phone are the power button and volume keys. On the base are a USB Type-C port and the single downward firing speaker. A dual nano SIM tray is located here, and can also be used for expanding storage. It is powered by Huawei's Kirin 995G chipset, which you can also find in Huawei's foldable Mate XS and the Mate 30 Pro 5G. The Huawei P40 Pro is plenty fast to compete with the latest flagship phones from rival brands. Furthermore, it is currently the only high-end chipset equipped with integrated 5G capabilities, which means that it will be compatible with the future dedicated 5G networks as well as with the current hybrid LTE/5G networks. A Leica branded camera setup includes a primary camera with 50 megapixels and a secondary camera with 40 megapixels, as well as a telephoto camera with 12 megapixels that is capable of capturing bokeh effects in portrait mode with a time-of-flight (TOF) sensor. For the primary camera, Huawei continues to use an RAIB sensor. This is the largest sensor Huawei has ever used. It is also larger than the sensor found on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The RAIB, red, yellow, blue, sensor design is an alternative to the more traditional red, green, blue Bayer pattern filter found on most cameras and, in theory, allows the sensor to capture more light. Based on pixel binning, in which 4 pixels of the sensor are combined into one larger one in order to improve low light performance at the expense of resolution, the effective pixel size is 2.44 m, and the P40 Pro's cameras performed well in low light. In addition to its impressive optical and digital zoom abilities, the P40 Pro features up to a 5x optical zoom as well as a 50x digital zoom. The photos at such high zoom levels aren't very sharp, however, so we suggest sticking to 10x for the best results. The Huawei P40 Pro runs Android 10, the most recent version of Google's operating system, but does not include Google services such as Gmail and Google Drive. The reason for this is the restrictions the US government has placed on Huawei due to security concerns. This is the elephant in the room with the P40 Pro, and it will probably be reason enough for customers to avoid this device. It is powered by a 4200 mAh battery, and we have found that it performs exceptionally well. We often get to the end of a busy day with between 20 to 30% remaining. I suspect that the processor on the P40 Pro has been well optimized for power management, ensuring that you can easily use the phone for a full day with normal use. The P40 Pro also offers 40 watts fast charging with the charger included in the box, as well as wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, so you can share the battery with other wirelessly chargeable devices, such as headphones or another phone.